Okay, greetings students. Today we're going to look at something a little interesting called a look beneath the skin. We're going to find out what's really there, what's really going on. This is a chicken wing. This is the external view of a chicken wing. On your paper, I want you to draw a diagram of the external structure you see here. You're going to be drawing on the left side. After you've drawn that, I want you to label the upper arm, the elbow, the lower arm, and the hand, or wingtip, as we refer to it. Once you have finished drawing that and labeling it, you can proceed. So right now you probably want to go ahead and pause the video. When you're done, proceed to the next slide. This is the chicken wing again, but this is the internal view. So now on the right side of your paper, you're going to draw a diagram of this internal structure and then label it. And I want you to include the muscles, the bone that's showing there at the top, the tendons, and the ligaments. Recall that tendons attach muscles to bone, and ligaments are for holding bones together. So when you are done drawing and labeling this, you can proceed to the next slide. Now let's go over the questions that you've got here. What specific arm muscle in your body is similar to the muscle that flexes the wing? So pause the video and think about that for a second and see if you can answer that. The bicep flexes the human arm and the chicken wing. How are these two muscles, the one in your body and the one in the wing, similar? I want you to pause right here, see if you can answer that on your own. The bicep muscles in both chickens and humans contract to pull up the lower arm. Remember, muscles only can contract, they can only pull, they do not push. Next question, what would happen if you pulled up on the bicep wing muscle? You can see the bicep wing muscle right there. Okay, what happens if you pull up on that? I want you to pause the video, see if you can write down your answer. Okay, here we go. If the bicep wing muscle contracts or pulls up, then the lower arm will pull up as well. So the bicep would contract, this lower arm would pull closer towards the upper arm. Next question, how does the motion of the wing compare to how your elbow moves? I want you to pause the video, think about that for a minute, see if you can write down an answer to that. Okay, now we're going to proceed. The motions of a chicken wing and your elbow are almost exactly the same. They're both hinged joints that are flexed by biceps. Next question, what causes the wing to move at the elbow? The wing moves because the flexor bicep contracts, which pulls the lower arm up. This is a flexing motion. Gravity can pull the arm back down, or it can be extended by the action of the extensor muscles contracting on the back of the arm or the wing. That does it for our look beneath the skin. If you want to try looking at these structures at home, make sure you practice safe meat handling skills, use proper care with knives. Remember that chicken can carry salmonella, so work with an adult if you're interested in doing this. Take care to wash up completely. If you handle raw chicken, it's best to wear gloves. Good luck.